Fibonacci series. I have created a project based on the Fibonacci series using the Python programming language. What is the Fibonacci series? You may be wondering about this question, right? Many of you may not know what is exactly called as the Fibonacci series. So, the first two numbers of the Fibonacci number series are 0 and 1. Guess what will be the third number? The third number is going to be the sum of the previous two numbers. So, if 0 and 1 were the previous two numbers, the third number will be 1 plus 0, that is 1. So 0, 1, 1. Then the fourth number, how shall it be generated? So the previous two numbers for the fourth number are 1 and another 1. So 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Now we have created the Fibonacci series for four numbers, that is 0, 1, 1, 2. Now what does my Python project based on Fibonacci series actually do? Let's check it out. So Fibonacci series starts from 0. Now in my Python project, if I enter the number of Fibonacci numbers as -1, it tells that I have given it a wrong input. I need to give the correct input to find out more about the Fibonacci series. Now let me type 10. So the Fibonacci series for 10 numbers has appeared. So the 10 numbers, the starting 10 numbers for the Fibonacci series are 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21 and 34. And the sum of all these numbers are 88. You want to know how I have created this project? How I have generated a Fibonacci series using the Python programming language? Have a look at my code. So, my code starts from here. So, the first two numbers in the Fibonacci series are always constant. That is, the first number or else the number 1 is 0, while the second number is 1. Now, in the output, you saw that it's asking me to give an input. How many Fibonacci numbers should be present in the Fibonacci series? So the computer is asking me to give the input for this question. And I even showed you how the error appears when I give negative numbers or else when I type negative integers. Now, if the input is 1, only the first number in the Fibonacci series will be printed and the sum will be that number. If the input is 2, the first two numbers will be 0 and 1, while the third number, you can guess that the third number will be 1 because 1 plus 0 equals to 1. For the rest of the numbers from the third number, the series will be generated using this code. Now finally, it prints the Fibonacci series and the sum of the numbers. So this is the code this is the final part of the code for this Fibonacci series project. So you too can build such interesting and helpful projects using Python programming language. Download the Python and the PyCharm and try creating such interesting projects. So friends, keep thinking, keep exploring and keep creating new projects using the Python programming language. Thank you, goodbye and have a great day.